What's the meaning of clear-sighted? Clear-sighted. Clear-sighted.
Clear-sighted. Clear-sighted. The term clear-sighted refers to the ability to accurately perceive and understand a situation without being biased or clouded by emotions or beliefs. A clear-sighted person is able to see things objectively, make rational decisions based on reason and evidence, and anticipate potential obstacles or challenges with clarity and foresight. This trait is highly valued in fields such as leadership, decision-making, and problem-solving, where objective analysis and critical thinking skills are essential for success. Overall, being clear-sighted allows individuals to make informed and effective choices, and ultimately achieve their goals with greater ease and efficiency.